How to log in Telegram account with that phone number. Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how to log in with that phone number on Telegram. So Telegram actually operates with a phone number, so you cannot log in without a phone number. So there is no such concept or there's no such method to log in without a phone number. However, what you can do is there are some alternate method. Now let's say that if you don't have a phone number, or maybe let's say that if you don't have a SIM, what you can do is you can install this third-party application which provides you with a virtual phone number for a certain period of time. So basically what you'll have to do is for that you need to go to your Play Store. After that, on the search box you'll need to type in Text Now app or Text Me, whichever is convenient for you. After that, click on the install button. This is the particular application, and you'll also have to register for this particular account. After that, you'll be provided with a list of phone number. You'll need to select the country. After that, you'll be provided with a virtual phone number for a certain period of time, and after that you'll need to enter in the code. And once you've done that, you have successfully created your account and you can now log in without your phone number on Telegram. So in this way you can use a Telegram without phone number. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.